Question number 19. Okay. Now, with reference to the internal energy conversion, now remember, whenever there is an internal energy, don't get confused with saying that it is related to heat energy. Okay, it's not about heat energy here. Just split this term, internal energy. There is something as energy conversion taking place due to internal processes. That's what it means. And ability to be recharged. What are the characteristics of a primary cell? What does a primary cell do? A primary cell is nothing but your AA, AAA cell, which you use it in your transistors, right? Okay, so therefore, so this cannot be charged. Okay, cannot be charged, it cannot be recharged. Right? Okay, so therefore cannot recharge. So this and this are incorrect. It should either be B and D. Okay, now let us look at this here. Chemical to electrical. There are two electrodes inside it. There is some electrolyte inside it, and chemical energy gets converted into electrical energy. Therefore, it is nothing but the answer B. See, this one is incorrect. You are not going to use electrical to chemical over here.